गोंय विद्यापीठाच्या स्टुडंट कावन्सिलाच्या वेंचणुकांचो शुक्रारा निकाल लागलो. पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट युनियनाक 19 सिटांचेर जैत मेळ्ळें. गौरव फडते हाची अध्यक्षपदार निवड जाल्या. गोंय विद्यापीठांतल्या सगळ्या मुद्द्यांचेर कावन्सिल भर घालपाक सातत्यान यत्न करतले म्हूण अध्यक्ष फडतेन उतर दिलां. RDX गुवाहाटी ताळगांवच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
I will be the president of the PGSU for this year, for the year 2017, and our panel is Together for University. For the last 3 years, we've been forming the Students' Council in this university, and this is the 4th year. For this year, we've already got the 19 out of 19 seats. That is, we put 19 candidates, and we got 19 out of 19. The 20th seat, the form was disqualified. That's why we couldn't get it. And as a panel of this university, we would like to tackle all the student issues. We've been doing it for the last few months, even though the elections had not been held. But we promise you that whatever student issues that are there in this university, we will tackle them. Right now, the main issue that is there is of the girls' hostel, the food. The unhygienic food has been given. So we have put forward the petition towards the VC, and hopefully action will be taken against it at the earliest. Transport issues almost सगळे solve झालेले आसा. Maybe 1 or 2 maybe remaining. 1 is remaining.
खंयची ती?
Pondachi. From here to Ponda. From here to Margao and to KTC, all the buses are started. And drop and pick even from the hostel, boys hostelak आणि girls hostelak जे drop and pick आसा ते सगळे झालेले आसा.
फाटल्या वर्सा पेपर रिकरेक्शन्साक जे चार्ज केले वताले
हय.
त्याच्या संदर्भात एक इश्यू आशिल्लो फाटल्या वर्सा.
हय.
सो हाऊ मच यू आर गोइंग टू डू ऑर यू हॅव
वेल आम्ही लास्ट इयर तेका ऑलरेडी हे घातलेले आहे, petition घातलेले आहे, and even this year we will forward it to the VC. Last year the VC had told us that it will be taken into notice, and this year hopefully that issue would be solved.
What about security?
Security cameras are installed in every lane over here, if you see over there, and even in the other blocks. Only in the commerce block is not yet installed because it's the new block this year, and that over there it will be done by this year. Well, ONU जी आम्ही लायट ऑलरेडी हे घातलेले आसा आणि सायन्स ब्लॉका कडेन फुडें एक स्टेज सुद्दां सेटअप केलेली आसा. तेज्या खातीर जे लायट इश्यू जो आसलो तो सॉल्व केलेलो आसा ऑलरेडी. दिस इयर इट्स ऑलरेडी बींग सॉल्व्ड.
आणि फॅकल्टी इश्यू एक आसा ताज्या बद्दल
मराठी फॅकल्टीचो इश्यू आसा तो ऑलरेडी आमच्या कडेन येयलेलो आसा. इट केम टू अस अबाउट 2-3 weeks बॅक. सो तेजेरूय आमी ऑलरेडी एक्शन घेवपाक स्टार्ट केला.
कितें एक्शन घेतली?
वी टॉक टू द VC. तांकां सांगलां की अशी फॅकल्टी अजून ना आणि भुरग्यांक त्रास जाता बिकॉज ऑलरेडी इतले मंथ जालेले आसा आणि ते पोर्शन फाटी उरता. सो तेजेर एक्शन कितें घेवपा जाय अशें सांगलेलें आसा. फॉरवर्ड एक्शन शूड बी टेकन बाय द ऑथॉरिटीज.
VCन रिप्लाय केलेलो?
अजून काय रिप्लाय येवंक ना तुमचो. वी टोल्ड देम टू डू इट एट द अर्लिएस्ट. सो बाय नेक्स्ट वीक मोस्टली जावपा जाय ते.